Well, hello again. What a fun day. Very excited. We have the final walkthrough for the client today, and there's a short punch list of some stuff, but this is a great achievement. In almost 4.5 months, we have the combined apartment that was never really redone. So when I was approached by my client, we were taking over the project that had to more or less start over because we didn't have the right people in place. So we jumped into it, changed some of the design parameters, filed everything and got everything approved, and started this project actually January of this year and finished in, technically it's 5 months or 4 months and 3 weeks. And we redid everything. It's partial movement of walls made this opening bigger, dropped ceilings so we could get rid of the beams, opened up the closet doors to be larger, put back in some of them we just put shelves, and of course all the lighting that I usually do to have them open with the magnet relay switch for the door. Consistency throughout, we kept and used the bigger 2-piece baseboard and shoe, all new Riff quarter-sawn floors. We decided that some symmetry between making this feel like a separate space and a very open connection between what was the 2 apartments. This door here was an entrance to what was a 1-bedroom, and there's a door in another big walk-in closet off the dining room that is really for the second 2-bedroom apartment, and that's been that way for 30 years. So now we're revealing a fabulous transformation. And I love the Philip Jeffries wallpaper, although we had tremendous problems with this. We're gonna have to redo this whole section on the wall and then that corner. There was a defect in the back. There's 3 parts to this wallpaper. It's a backing and a silver foil, and then the actual indigo grass paper, and it's really fragile. It's beautiful, but we have to redo it again. There's no other way to get around it. Great sconces, from Circle Lighting, Visual Comfort. Great detail for me is always in lighting design and making sure that I have the symmetry that I want, because it used to feel like a cage, and now with all of the lighting, it's fabulous. On a bright day, we should dim some things, but we wanted to first start with the side of the house that is fun, but the big excitement is really as we go through the bathrooms and the rest of the house and the transformed kitchen. In here, we moved the door so that we could have a little bit more symmetry for wallpaper on the side of it. Again, consistency with the door styles. All the room entrances are smaller 80-inch doors, although they're 8 feet for the closets. My custom built in for the desk. We're gonna have to redo this floor because somebody spilled something and then tried to touch it up without telling me, and I know it's the cabinet guys. So we're gonna have to refinish this floor, which we'll do Monday. We have the wired LED hidden channels inside the cabinets. This is spray painted my contemporary, 1/8 reveal shakers, but we have the Frosty Carina hone. We have a printer pull-out shelf besides the little mocket cutout for the cords, and then we have plug-ins in the drawers, which I think are really important, so you can hide any of your chargeable things that you need. All of the wiring comes in for FiOS through the top of that cabinet, comes through the public hall in the back, and then at the very back, which we'll cover with probably photos, we have an open shelf, which is like a tall area where you put your brooms and your cleaning supplies and your vacuum cleaners and whatever. The windows, 2 breaker panels. This apartment is here, and then the other one's in the kitchen. The windows we spray painted, so they're all old on this side. They're about 10 years old through this side. So it's here, the bathroom, the primary bedroom, and also the living room. So we use a company that does a electrostatic paint that is wonderful. And we did all my built-ins, changed the lighting, added sconces in here, put all new through the wall air conditioners in the bedroom, living room, second bedroom, and Brody's room, their son, all with the built-in covers around them and storage, which is really kind of handy. We always do I love my wired, window treatments because it just makes a ton of difference to not have to bother with this stuff. And we put the 5% opacity in the rooms that don't matter. The bedrooms are all manual shades, which is fine. Had the big major cleaning day yesterday with about 8 people. Madness around here. I love the calm, sereneness. Actually, this wall paint is actually called Calm by Benjamin Moore, and I just absolutely love it because it's such a soft color. The bedrooms are done with Collingwood. All of our doors were actually sprayed, and I don't know if all the trim was, but I think it was, which is a new adventure for me, and I absolutely love it because it's so consistent in the finish. So again, we have our covers for the radiator. We have our manual shades for the blockout in the bedroom. Did a whole new walk-in closet here, which I think is phenomenal. So we'll do B-roll of this for him, the husband, and I can't wait for him to see that because that was like the one thing he's never had. And then we have, another through-the-wall air conditioner in here. And one of our classic signatures is to do a fabulous bathroom. So for the primary bath, we used porcelain with a nod to the pre-war herringbone floor finish, and a 2x2 shower with an infinity drain at the end. My custom, frameless glass, 1/2-inch Starfire, beautiful hardware. We have an exhaust fan here. And once we do the B-roll of this bathroom, you'll see there's a riser that we have all tiled, all walls with this porcelain that looks like marble. My 3-drawer vanity with a recessed toilet paper holder so it doesn't get in the way. And we have the Roburn mirrored medicine cabinet. I believe we put electric in these. Yes, it's there. So we have everything covered. Robe hooks on the riser behind it, but it's all perfectly finished. It's like couture. It's like a couture custom room. But I absolutely love it. Love the light fixtures. Love everything about it. So I can't wait to see them later today. So let's go back to the other side of the house.